This is one of my go-to favorite meals. If I'm being honest right now, I think I've just been struggling. But Andy sneakily got some snacks. 3 months feels like forever. Every single night this week, all I wanted was takeaway. Good morning guys, and happy Monday. I'm just about to make my meal prep, so I thought I would show you guys what I'm making because I feel like this is literally how I start every single weekly vlog, but you know, it makes sense. That way I get to share recipes with you guys and just give you some more meal ideas. We did our grocery shop yesterday, as you can tell. How unorganized is that? Oh my goodness. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. I'm gonna make chicken curry sausages. This is one of my go-to favorite meals. My mum used to make it all the time as a kid. Also, side note, I've mentioned this drink in a video before, and if you still have not tried it, definitely give it a go because there is nothing better than this flavor. Raspberry and kiwi, such a winner. What do I need? Carrots. I'm gonna also chuck in some peas. Other than that, you literally just need rice, curry powder, and vegetable stock. So it's very, very easy, pretty quick and delicious. And don't forget to wash your rice because I feel like a lot of people probably skip this step, but it's crucial. Also, let me know down below if you guys cook in a rice cooker or a pot, because my life has changed ever since buying a rice cooker. It's the best thing ever. Oh man guys, I was in the middle of cooking my lunch prep and then I had to jump on a call. It originally got cancelled, so I decided to start making my meal prep, and then they wanted the time again. So I just had to jump on the call with her. So I didn't actually finish filming what I made, but I'm just eating it now in between calls. I literally have 3 back-to-back calls, so I'm trying to shovel it in whenever I can, but it is delicious. I'll write the recipe down below. I think it's even in my recipe ebook, maybe. I can't be sure, but it's super, super easy and delicious. I feel like curry sausages may be an Australian thing. Let me know down below if you've tried it, because I don't know, I just feel like I grew up on it, but I also feel like it's a very particular kind of food. Anyway, I've got under 5 minutes to scoff my face, so let's go. It's like 3 p.m. and I haven't talked to the vlog yet at all today, but to be honest, I've had really bad cramps all morning. First day of cycle, always a fun time, so I probably won't be doing a workout today. Yesterday I did a lower body. I tried to film it, but again, it wasn't the best session ever because I was already having a bit of cramping, but at least I did it. So I just got back from the post office and I actually picked up a label printer because if you guys follow me on Instagram, I've talked about how I'm starting a little kind of passion project or like little business venture. It's nothing extreme or nothing like extravagant, but I think that you guys would really love it and benefit from it. I ordered the first lot of samples last night, so that should take a couple of weeks to get here, and then if everything looks good, I'll order like a bigger quantity. And yeah, so I'm super excited, a little bit nervous. I feel like it's always a little bit scary jumping outside your comfort zone and doing something like this, especially when you have to invest quite a large amount of money into it as well. It makes it a lot harder. And I don't know, I also feel like when you have kind of like an audience watching you, obviously I have a very small audience, but you do kind of have people watching you, so then if it fails, you just, I don't know, that's just my brain, but I'm sure it won't. I'm sure you guys will love it, and I'm super excited for you guys to get your hands on it. And if all else fails, it's a great gift to give to clients as well. So if that gives you any idea of what it could be, I'm not sure, but my clients are gonna love it as well. So yeah, anyway, I just made a little afternoon snack. So I've just got some peanut butter on rice cakes. Honestly, I forgot how much I loved peanut butter on rice cakes. I also have a coffee, and then I have an afternoon full of coaching calls. Happy Friday, guys. I have been the absolute worst vlogger this week, and not gonna lie, I have barely picked up my camera whatsoever. What is this little lighting? Bright. If I'm being honest right now, I think I've just been struggling with vlogging lately, and even just on Instagram, because I feel like all of my content is the same. And I'm sure if you're also like in lockdown and you film videos and things like that, you probably also feel like me. I think that's why I've been struggling to just pick up my camera this week, because I really enjoy vlogging, but when I watch other people's vlogs who, you know, live in Queensland and things, I just feel like their content looks so fun, and they're out and about, they're in their car, they're with their friends, and there's just a lot more to film. But when you're in lockdown, every day is the same. It's very much like Groundhog Day, and I just don't know what you guys want to see. So I'm kind of struggling a little bit with that, but I'm going to do my best to remember to pick up my camera for the next few days. Alright, so I'm back from the shops now, and I just picked up a couple of things. So I got a bunch of spring onion. I feel like you can't have fried rice without spring onion. And then I also got some bacon and some chicken. And then the two sauces I always use are sesame oil and salt reduced soy sauce. I just got a couple of eggs I'm going to scramble in it, and I made a bunch of rice last night. Leftover rice is always the best for fried rice, but yeah, I'm just going to pop all of this together, as well as some frozen veg, and call it a day. Also, I need to sip more water. I don't know if I mentioned this in last week's vlog, but I ordered this huge 2-litre bottle off, I think the company's called Gym Major, but you can also get them on Amazon, and it has been the best investment. It was like 65 bucks, but it makes me drink like 3 litres of water a day, and before that, I'd probably be lucky to hit like 1.5 litres. So, best invention ever. I'm obsessed, and I have Diet Right cordial in it. Anyway, let's get crack-a-lackin'.
Hi, can I just get 2 medium cheeseburger meals?
2 medium cheeseburger meals?
Yep.
Yeah, was that just Coke for those ones?
Coke Zero, please.
Coke Zero, anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Oh, first, I want to.
Every single night this week, all I wanted was takeaway. I don't know why. I've only had takeaway like once in the past 5 weeks, which is unheard of for me, but ever since starting the mini cut, the only thing I've ordered is grilled, which I'm pretty proud of. But this week, being that time of the month, all I wanted was takeaway. What the heck? Does yours come all the way up?
Yeah. Trafalgar Square.
Oh. How good are Macca's chips though? Good morning guys and happy Saturday. We are in the car, we're on our way to look at some houses because exciting news, the other day restrictions eased a fraction, literally the tiniest bit, but now we can go look at vacant properties, which is super amazing because yeah, we've been looking for about 3 months now I reckon, which is probably not that long of a time, but as an impatient person, 3 months feels like forever. This looks like the dream home. I highly doubt we're gonna get it, even though I probably shouldn't put negativity out into the universe. I should probably manifest it, but it's huge. It's like 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, massive backyard. It's a little bit old, like I feel like it might need a little bit of paint, a little bit of a freshen up, but we could really see this house as like a forever home because it's so massive and I just feel like you could do so much to it over time, and yeah, so fingers crossed. Yeah. It's been a couple hours later. I am in a different outfit because we just went and got vaxxed. Hello.
Near the hill come.
He's so cute. What do you guys want? So far so good. We have no side effects, but it's been like half an hour, so oh maybe wow. Maybe there are side effects. I will maybe check back in tomorrow if there are any interesting ones. But we went to the shops to get some stuff for dinner. We're gonna make homemade pizzas, which I'm so excited for. But Andy sneakily got some snacks. So we've got bubblegum M&Ms, and I wanted to taste test them on camera for you. Here you go.
I'll get you a colour each.
It's flushing and it's gonna die.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, not bad. Chocolate and bubblegum, what a weird combo. I mean, they're alright. And the last thing are Turkish Delight bites. Both of us love Turkish Delight. You get like 10.
Oh, should I get the Maltesers? They're yummy.